Vatican City, a journey through history and faith. Welcome to Vatican City, the smallest independent state in the world, a place of immense historical, religious, and artistic significance. Join us as we explore the heart of the Catholic Church. Vatican City's origins trace back to ancient Rome. The area was considered sacred long before Christianity. In the 4th century, Emperor Constantine built a basilica over the tomb of St. Peter. Over the centuries, the papacy gained temporal power. The papal states emerged, encompassing a large portion of Italy. In 1870, the papal states were annexed by the Kingdom of Italy. The Roman question, the dispute over the Pope's sovereignty, remained unresolved for decades. The Lateran Treaty of 1929 established Vatican City as an independent state. This agreement granted the papacy sovereignty and resolved the long-standing conflict. St. Peter's Basilica stands as a testament to architectural grandeur. It is one of the holiest sites in Christendom. The basilica is built upon the traditional burial site of St. Peter, one of Jesus' apostles. Notable architects such as Bramante, Michelangelo, and Bernini contributed to its design. The basilica's dome, designed by Michelangelo, dominates the skyline. Inside, masterpieces like Michelangelo's Pietà and Bernini's baldachin await. The Vatican Museums house an unparalleled collection of art and artifacts. These collections have been amassed by the popes throughout centuries. From ancient Roman sculptures to Renaissance masterpieces, the museums offer a journey through art history. The Sistine Chapel is perhaps the most famous attraction. Michelangelo's frescoes, including the creation of Adam and the Last Judgment, adorn its walls. The Raphael rooms, featuring frescoes by Raphael, are another highlight. Escape the crowds and discover the serene Vatican gardens. These meticulously landscaped gardens offer a tranquil retreat. Explore fountains, sculptures, and diverse flora. The gardens provide stunning views of Vatican City and Rome. They offer a unique perspective on this historic enclave. Guided tours are available for those wishing to delve deeper into their history and design. Today, Vatican City remains the center of the Catholic Church. It is home to the Pope and the Roman Curia. The city-state plays a vital role in global diplomacy and religious affairs. Millions of pilgrims and tourists visit each year. They come to experience its spiritual and artistic treasures. Vatican City stands as a symbol of faith, history, and artistic achievement. Vatican City is more than just a city-state. It is a living testament to history, faith, and art. We hope this journey has inspired you to explore its wonders. Come and experience the magic of Vatican City for yourself.